Hello and welcome back to another video on how to make money online. First of all, we want to thank you very much for being back with us to watch another video. Remember, we are constantly uploading videos on ways to make money online. That's right, we are constantly teaching you how to make money online, how to spend your time online correctly, and how to make bank while doing it. Today, we have a special tip for all of our affiliate marketers. That's right, we have a special tip for all of our affiliate marketers. So if you are already practicing affiliate marketing, stay tuned all the way till the end of the video. Now, if you haven't started affiliate marketing, then you should start doing it right now. It's a very good way to make passive money. So if you haven't started doing affiliate marketing, you should start doing it. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, or if you don't know how to start doing affiliate marketing, you could go watch one of our earlier videos in where we explain what affiliate marketing is, and we explain how to make money through affiliate marketing step by step. So make sure you watch those previous videos before you watch this video if you're not doing affiliate marketing already. Now, if you're doing affiliate marketing already, then this is a great tip for you. So let's get started with this. But before we go, I would love for you to subscribe. We would be very thankful if you could subscribe, if you could turn on your notifications so that you're notified next time we have another awesome video for you to make money online, right? So if you want to keep learning cool ways to make money online, to make a passive income, to make some money from the comfort of your home, make sure you subscribe and you turn on your notifications. Now let's get started. So before, we've talked about affiliate marketing for Amazon and we've talked about affiliate marketing for ClickBank, but now I have a tool that might help you get ahead in the game. Now, what is this cool tool that we've learned? It's Munchai. Now, what is this webpage? It's Munchai.com. This is a great tool for all affiliate marketers. What is Munchai.com? Munchai.com is a webpage that specializes on showing you products that have not been launched yet. That's right, they have not been launched yet, and this is why it's great, because you're getting an advantage. You're getting ahead of the game on other people that are only looking at products that are already out there, when you could be creating ads and you could be creating links for products that have not been launched or have just gotten launched, which are the products that probably most people are gonna buy because they're brand new, you know, they maybe are current with one current issue or something like that. So I recommend you check out Munchai.com. Now let's take a look at the webpage over here. The webpage here has all these links right here. And what are these links? These links are the links to the product. So on June 14th right here, we're gonna click on this, Joshua Zamora, My Traffic Jacker 2.0, $37 to $47 at 50%. So we're gonna click on that, right? So we're gonna get all the information on this product right here, which is awesome. We have the vendor, which is Joshua Zamora. We have the product, which is My Traffic Jacker 2.0, the launch date, we have the launch time, we have the front end price, which is going to be in between $37 and $47, and then you have the commission you're going to make. The commission on this product in particular is 50%. That is a great commission. This means you're going to be making in between $16 and $23 every single time you sell this product. Now, maybe you're not gonna sell many every day, but you're gonna set up this little link, right? And then from this link, you're gonna get one sale, two sales, three sales a week. But then you're gonna set up another sale, right? Where you're gonna make another 20 bucks. You're gonna get 2, 3 sales from that one that week. And then you're gonna set up another one and you're gonna get a couple other sales on another product, right? So the idea is to set up a few of these so that when they get released, you get a few sales and you get some money. Now, let's go visit their sales page, right? So let's click on here and let's go take a look to their sales page. All right, so it's gonna send us here to JVSU. Now JVSU works just like ClickBank. It works just like Amazon Associates. This is one of the web pages in which you can sign up to do affiliate marketing. As it says over here, instant affiliate programs with 800,000 plus active affiliates. Getting affiliates to promote your offer is absolutely the fastest, right? So you can get started in this page and you can start doing affiliate work for the products that are on Munchai through JVZoo. Now let's take a look at Munchai. Now let's go back to our main page. We're back on our main page and we see over here all launches, big launches. We have just launched, right? So we have several categories over here from which we could choose, and we can see different information in a bunch of them. So let's take a look at a few more just so that we get a good look around the web page. Let's click over here to maybe we're gonna click over here on this one that's from ClickBank. We're gonna see that it is from ClickBank by looking at this little logo right here. So we're gonna go to Dan Savila 100K Blueprint 4.0. It's at 1,997 at 50%. That is insane. You can make over $500 just from selling one of these. So let's take a look. Vendor Dan Da Silva 100K Blueprint 4.0, 2020 August 13 launch date, lunchtime 11 Eastern time, right? Front end price $1,997, commission 50%. That means you're gonna make $948, right? $948 around that just from selling one of them. So this is awesome. Now the affiliate network is ClickBank. As I said, if you're already, we've made videos about ClickBank before. If you have not looked at our video about ClickBank, you should go look at it, become an affiliate marketer, and use ClickBank to sell this product. You can make a lot of money. Now, as I said, ClickBank is a great affiliate marketer site, just like the one that we just showed you. If you want to take a look at it, you should go back and look at our earlier videos in which we talk about it. Now, our niche is general. That means that it's a general product, and it says right here, the last launch in 2017 was a massive success, earning over 1.5 million in just 6 short days, and we're gonna pay over 1 million to our affiliates, and this time we've refined our funnels and sales messages over the past 3 years, right? So they're gonna give you a bunch of information on what is 100K Blueprint. They have a little video over here that's gonna explain it, right? So we're gonna get information on the product so that we can sell it. So now what could we do? We could just start right now getting this information, get read, you know, like writing down all the important information we think is gonna help us how to sell, and making an ad for this, getting a link, going to ClickBank, signing up, and once we have a link, we just start sharing that link and we start making money. So if you're an affiliate marketer, this is our tip for you. Go to munchai.com, start looking at your possible products you could be selling, start looking at at the next launches that are announced in here, so that you have an advantage over other affiliate marketers selling products that aren't even out yet. So thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you could subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you back over here sometime soon. Thank you very much for watching. We hope to see you sometime soon, and take care.